Hey guys, what's up? It's Julie. Welcome back to my channel.
What we do here is go back.
So this is a very informal intro, and I know I've been gone for so long, and I think my room needs a makeover. As you can see, show you, it's not messy, but it's just boring, unorganized, and there's just clearly not enough space. So today I'm going on a mission, and I'm going to completely redo my room, and hopefully it will help me be more productive. I'm going to clear this entire thing. I don't know if you guys can see how bad it is. It's just a mess, and let's not even talk about this drawer. Okay guys, so I just finished organizing my underwear drawer. I'm gonna show you briefly because I don't think that I need to show the internet my underwear drawer, but I'm just gonna show you how I organized it really quick. Bras, soft bras, underwear, more underwear, and then just my sock drawer. It's not really, it's just like regular socks, like little cheer socks and peds and socks that don't match. I'm gonna go through that and we'll see what's in there if I have any more underwear. Okay, so now that I've kind of like separated everything in its spots, this is my dirty laundry right now. I'm gonna put all this in my real hamper because this was taking up the space, and I'll come back when that's done. So as I suspected, this doesn't fit in my, I mean it does, but it's like overflowing, and that means it's time for me to do some laundry. So I have everything in that basket organized ish. I have a bunch of socks, like long socks that would, I think this box would come in handy for. Like, I don't even decorate my room. Okay, focus. Okay, so I've come to the conclusion that I made more of a mess for myself than actually cleaning, because this is my room. What I'm talking about. Okay, so this is currently where I'm at. I definitely made I'm not gonna say I made zero progress because I did make some progress. I went through both bins of like super old clothes and went through what I needed and what I didn't need, and I'm about to go through this drawer if there's a bunch of stuff in there that I'm not gonna need, and then we're gonna go from there. So I'm gonna let you guys see a little taste because I don't want to bore you. Alright, so I just organized all my t-shirts that I use for working out or cheerleading, or just around the house, you know. So this is how I rolled them, because I think it's the most effective, most organized way to do it. And yeah, so they're all rolled, and I definitely have more space for more shirts to come, and now I have to go through this. and all of this. So we'll be back. Sweatshirts like this. I definitely have more sweatshirts, but they're downstairs and that's later, so yeah. Alright, so now what I'm doing is I'm going to hang all of these clothes right here, because what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take out this dresser, because behind it, I don't know if you can see, there is a rack and it's pretty long. So that's where I'm going to hang most of my clothes, because this is too short for dresses and stuff, and it's just cluttered and as it's like breaking. So I think I'm gonna put my dresser out here somewhere, and hopefully that will give me some more space. Okay, so I'm losing daylight here. It's been like 5 hours. Whoa. Okay, it's been like 5 hours. I started like earlier and now it's starting to get dark out. Anyway, I just ate dinner. I took a little break. And I hung all these clothes. These are all the clothes that can't get hung. So what I'm thinking is the next step, I'm gonna put all of this stuff away. I have to clean this top. So I will do that right now. Alright guys, so I just finished cleaning off the top of my dresser. And now I'm going to pick all this stuff off the floor and put it on my bed, and then I'm going to move my dresser. We're gonna figure out where that's gonna go. I think I'm gonna make this like a where all my jewelry is gonna go, because it looks pretty good there, right? All right. Okay, so I just took out all of the drawers from my dresser so that it's easier to move. My mirror and my guitar used to be in that spot. They're over here. This mirror, I'm thinking about hanging it right here. Alright guys, so I took a little time away from my camera and I got a lot done. I got this. I made this like a jewelry area. I didn't go through my clothes yet, but I got all this stuff off the floor. I put the mirror on the door, and I moved my dresser, so now I have this as a hanging space for long dresses. I went through this top drawer, now it's gonna be a pajama drawer. I put this here instead, and now I just have to go through all these clothes, and I organized all of these drawers, and my mom helped me. And I also have to go through that. And I put those bags there. So I'm almost done. Not really. I mean, the clothes are going to be the longest part because there's so many clothes. Okay, so it's currently 1 a.m. and I'm still not done. Okay, I've done so much. I've organized every drawer. This one has so much stuff in it, like, but it's all organized. Okay, there's my socks, t-shirts, okay, don't ask me why I labeled them. I don't know, don't ask. But I still have all this to put away. I organized all of those bins. My mom organized this. I got the bear. I got the backpacks. That is another day. Dirty laundry. Okay, almost done. Almost done. Okay guys, I'm finally done. I feel good. I do have a little bit of clothes that I still have to put away, but I need to go to bed. It's almost 2 a.m. So thank you so much for watching, and yeah, this is the finished result. I love it. And yeah, see you guys in the next video. Thank you, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't mind the way I look right now, but this video literally saved me. So make sure you, I don't even know, I'm so tired. Bye.